Today we'll be discussing the lymphatic system. The lymphatic system can be defined as the body's defense mechanism. What is the lymph system?
The lymphatic system is composed of several different structures that play a vital role in the body's ability to remove substances from our blood that may be harmful. These major structures include lymph, lymphatic vessels and ducts, lymph nodes, tonsils and adenoids, spleen, bone marrow, lymphocytes, and thymus. Without these structures, the body would be susceptible to many blood-borne illnesses and disease. There are three main functions of the lymphatic system, which are absorbing fats and fat-soluble vitamins through lacteals of the small intestine, removing waste products from the tissues, and cooperate with the immune system in destroying pathogens, as well as returning filtered lymph to the veins.
What is lymph and what are its components?
Lymph is a clear water-like fluid that removes cellular waste products, pathogens, and dead blood cells from tissues. The lymph is important because it serves as a regulator to keep the blood pure.
What structures does the lymph system contain?
Lymph nodes are bean-shaped structures of the lymphatic system that are responsible for filtering pathogens and other harmful substances from the lymph by specialized cells of the immune system. The lymph nodes are important because they serve as a communication directly to show humans that there is something unusual going on and action should be taken to make everything is working. Lymph nodes are in three different areas, which are the neck, armpits, and groin area. Side by lymph nodes are the tonsils and adenoids. Tonsils and adenoids are structures that prevent foreign structures from entering the respiratory system. Spleen is a cyclomat of lymphoid tissue with protective roles in both the immune and lymphatic systems. The spleen's main function is to help filter blood of bacteria, viruses, and other debris, as well as creating lymphocytes. Since the spleen helps to create lymphocytes in the production of bone marrow. Lymphocytes are specialized leukocytes that play important roles in immune reactions. The thymus is a gland located in the upper chest with special roles in both the lymphatic and immune systems. What happens when bacteria is recognized in the lymph system?
When bacteria is recognized in the lymph fluid, the lymph nodes make more infection-fighting white blood cells, which can cause swelling. The swollen nodes can sometimes be felt in the neck, underarms, and groin.
What is tonsillitis and what is its cause?
There are many diseases that can occur in the lymph system. A common disease among children is tonsillitis. Tonsillitis is inflammation of the tonsils. Therefore, at a young age, many get their tonsils removed, and thus when they get older, it makes them prone to infection. They may get sick quicker. And just because you took out a piece of the lymphatic system, since the tonsils are a sac of lymph nodes, that's another way of the body's, it's like the body's first line of defense. Therefore, when you take it away, the person is more susceptible to this. The reason being tonsillitis is so prevalent within children is because children are always in contact with each other. Therefore, they play. Some may not wash their hands properly, therefore they consistently are spreading germs. They play with toys before nap time. And also, it's also prevalent within a child care environment, which a lot of people are in contact with each other. But any place that involves a bunch of people, tonsillitis can be prevalent or can occur because of the passing of germs from one person to another.
What is Hodgkin's disease and what is its cause?
Another disease that occurs in the lymphatic system is Hodgkin's lymphoma. It is a type of cancer that is typically occurring when the white blood cells in the body become diseased or damaged. Hodgkin's lymphoma is a common cancer. It's actually one of the two most common cancers within the lymphatic system. It is a type of cancer that occurs, of course, when white blood cells become diseased or damaged, but there has not been a direct cause that has been found. But scientists have found that when the B cell develops, and it develops a mutation in its DNA, the mutation causes the B cells to enlarge, and they tend to accumulate in the lymphatic system where they overcrowd the healthy cells, which in turn causes many immune infections. The person may get sick a lot. It just breaks down the immune system.
What is Castleman's disease and what are its causes?
Lastly, another lymphatic disease is Castleman disease, which is caused by benign tumors that affect the lymph nodes. While it's not specifically a cancer, it is similar to lymphoma and is often treated with chemotherapy. The localized Castleman disease affects the lymph nodes of the stomach and the chest area. Multicentric Castleman disease affects greater than one region of the lymph nodes, as well as a lymphoid containing organs such as the spleen. Unlike Hodgkin's lymphoma, Castleman's disease is fairly rare because it's not under a category of cancer, but it has symptoms similar to lymphoma. It's treated just like lymphoma as in use of chemotherapy. It commonly affects the lymph nodes in both the stomach and the chest. Just like any other disease within the lymphatic system, the cause is not common, but it's said that the human's herpesvirus 8, also known as HHV8, is associated with Castleman's disease. Pretty much, those who are HIV positive are most likely to have this disease. Many diseases and disorders of the lymphatic system are typically treated by immunologists. Sometimes they are treated by vascular surgeons, dermatologists, or oncologists. They also get involved in treatment of various lymphatic ailments. There are also lymphedema therapists who specialize in the manual drainage of the lymphatic system. The lymphatic system is still a mystery to many scientists because most of the diseases in this system has no direct cause. Therefore, you cannot pinpoint where the disease came from. You can't pinpoint what treatment will be accurate or if the treatment may even work. Therefore, this system can offer a brilliant breakthrough in those who study, who participate in it, who choose to use this as their path of study, who chooses to be an immunologist. This body system will help power science today. Thank you for watching our presentation on the lymphatic system.